First of all, you look at the relative values of the items, and you look at the kinds of materials that they're made of. You look at where they're placed in the house. Those pieces of information give you a place to start in determining what's going on in this document. There is one reference book that could be very useful when you look at a probate record, and that's the Oxford English Dictionary. The Oxford English Dictionary gives the historical evolution of words throughout time. I saw in the chamber, a bedroom, one bed teaster. So I thought, what is that, a teaster? So I went to the OED, and it was actually listed under tester, but the alternative spelling was teaster. What it is a canopy over a bed frame. So she had a canopied bed, and I found that just by looking in the Oxford English Dictionary. One of the most difficult issues is how much money is this? Is this a lot of money? Is this a little money? If you notice in the last paragraph, it says, pursuant to an order of York County dated 20th June 1757, the subscribers, having been first sworn before Justice of the Peace, have appraised in current money the slaves and personal estate of Sarah Green. Current money means as money is currently valued in Virginia, but what's the relationship between the valuation of Virginia money and the value of money in England per se? That's hard to determine. A lot of this stuff you can only determine relatively by looking at other wills and inventories or reading a secondary source that tells you a wealthy person has an estate worth this much, a poor person this much. The better materials then are the better materials now, like mahogany or silk or silver. There are a lot of things that you can figure out just by looking at it. So I think a person without knowledge of the 18th century can find out what some of these specific items refer to.